Kulomhlaba esikuwona sikwi-race engapheli. It's like somile siphuza amanzi olwandle. The more we gulp, the more we become thirstier and thirstier. Yazi munganakile, you can live your whole life waiting to live until you die. Dying hoping to achieve the next thing. The chase is always on. It never ends. Even if you die, you remember what you left at the back, dreams that were never achieved. Kanti impilo happens here and now. It's just an illusion to think ukuthi kunento kumele uyi-achieve ukuze uzizwe at peace. No, the body is addicted to feeling. The mind is addicted to thinking. That's what perpetuates. That's what becomes the fuel of this race and chase that is perpetuating ngalesi sikhathi. Ubingelelo changes akasha othi kungenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ucabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. Ya, sikuwo lo mhlaba, sikuwo lo mqiqo, sikuwo lo mgijimo. Kwesinye isikhathi sicreatelwa idingo esingazi nanokuthi sinazo. Our bodies are addicted to feeling. We feel alive if there is something we feel. We just do things for the sake of feeling. That is why some of us are addicted to certain thought patterns, because it makes them feel a certain way. By feeling the certain way, they are sure what they are living, and this is who they are. Lento yama emotions and feeling. Iyona le illusion kakhulu empilweni zethu. Ngoba buka nje. Kunomuntu oke wacabanga ukuthi yazi mangase ngidle ipizza ngiyayihalela. Ngizwa ngiyilambele. Futhi ayina luso sokuyilambele, uyayihalela, uyayicravela, is craving for that satisfaction or that sensation ayitholayo mangabe esedle ipizza. Bese ayidla ipizza. Uzothola futhi ukuthi nothing special. Nothing special. Kunani ukuthi athi yazi angisazizwa ke kahle manje. Angisazizwa ngiright ngathi ngiqunjelwe. Akasazizwe emnandi emveni kokudla, kodwa ngesikhathi engakayidli bekune illusion ukuthi uzofila kamnandi mase usuyidlile. Omunye namhlanje usejele. Indaba yayo lento engikhulumayo. Waba ne flux of emotions afika kuyena. Amkhohlisa ukuthi uyazi ukuthi mangase utaste lokhu uzozizwa umnandi kanjani. Wakwenza illegal lokho. Wathi meqeda wayisola. Icala kodwa lona selingenile. Omunye uhambile wayokwenza izinto ezithile eziserious involve ama-sacrifices a-serious. Ngoba wayenalento ethi mangase ngibe nomuzi, ngibe nemoto, bese ngihlala kamnandi nomkami noma nezingane zami noma nendoda yami. Wayimagina lento, ifeeling ayidayiselwa umzimba ukuthi iyoba mnandi lento. Wazenza izinto ezithile. Only to find out ukuthi uma seseyitholile lezo zinto. Waphinde wabona ukuthi no man. Hayi khona. Akukona lokho ebengicabanga. Pho ke le chase iyophela nini? Namhlanje sinabantu abalalela ama video ka changes. Namhlanje sinabantu abalalela ama video o manifestation rituals, manifestation techniques. It's not that they are trying to be better versions of themselves. No, they try to outsmart the universe and the reality. They are trying to outsmart, and they are focusing on the end goal, on the result. They forget about what the process. The process is to become better. The process is to tap to the peace that is within you. Once wafunda ukuba at peace kulesi state osuku kusona ngaleso sikhathi and trust the process, ila khona uzokwazi ukuthola lolu hlobo lwe-feeling ocabanga ukuthi uyolithola mhlazane wathola lento le oyifunayo. Lento oyifunayo ayizi naleyo satisfaction oyicabangayo. Iyokunikeza yona for a meantime, but the chase will always be on. Stick on the process. Stick within the process of becoming better, tapping to something that is within. That is where peace is. Bona ngoba ngesikhathi uzama ukucabanga something uyikhohlwa kakhulu leyo nto leyo until uyeke ukuyicabanga later on bese uyayikhumbula leyo nto ukuthi uzama ukuyikhumbula. Bona ngoba mawubheka something uthi uyayibheka manje awuyiboni lento obuyayifuna manje, kodwa once you forget about it uyahlangana nayo. Lento kumele ikutshela into ethile ngereality ukuthi by us having those strong desires and emotions attached to a goal, that is when we are keeping it further and further until we release and accept. Because the acceptance of the state doesn't mean ukuthi uzoba reluctant ube kwi paralysis and do nothing. Kusho ukuthi you will accept the state okusona and live with it, but at the same time you are not going to condemn, because once you condemn, your state of being changes to a negative vibration, because you operate from the point of lack and a point of yani ukuthi I'm not enough and all of those things. And you think when you're going to live the full ukuphila ungakhohliseki ukuthi awunayo imoto awusho ukuthi awuphili, ukuthi awunawo umuzi awusho ukuthi awuphili, ukuthi awusebenza akusho ukuthi awuphili. Zonke lezo zinto ziyi-illusion. And by wena ucabanga ukuthi awuphili mangabe ungenazo lezo zinto lezo ingqondo yakhe ekukhohlisayo ukuthi uyobuya phila umuntu mawunazo, by you thinking that, you are creating a very negative polarization empilweni yakho. And that is when you are not going to receive those things, because those things are high vibrational. When by thinking ukuthi you are not living, we are living. Ubani wathi impilo imali, ubani wathi impilo imoto. Yes, we do need money, but the thing is, money doesn't come to a person that doesn't vibrate to the level of it or matching the frequency of money. Money doesn't come. Those things, they don't come. So at some point in time, kuyodingeka ukuthi uchill, relax, accept. Because as long as you are not in the acceptance, the chase will be always on. And once the chase is always on, there is a suffering. When is the suffering? The suffering comes when the new desire, it is the space between you achieving the desire and the desire arising. The desire arises and the achievement of the desire, the space in between is the suffering. Because you have to do whatever you have to do, you have to enjoy and suffer the pain that you have to suffer for you to alter your state that you are at currently. Yabo? Kusho ukuthi lokho you are at the state ongasamukeli because you are craving for a certain emotion or certain life. Yabo? And by so doing, kusho ukuthi nje manje i-universe kuzomela detect ukuthi ukuphi ukusiphi state. So you are living your whole life waiting to live. Life, life is not heaven. God is the eternal living mind. Does God have a car? Does God have all these things that you are dreaming or you are thinking of or you want to achieve? But ekugcineni life, ukuphila, uyaphila njengamanje. Ungenazo lezo zinto lezo uyaphila. And ikwamukela ukuthi uyaphila. And ila khona uzokwazi ukuthola lezi zinto ocabanga ukuthi wena awuphili mungenazo. I-life i-opposite ngoba impilo ayiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. And possibilities are infinite in the sense that the possibilities ozolenda kuyona izodetermine a state okusona currently.